back the truck up to the spot and whatever, and the guy like looks at the dining room chair and he's like, and I'm like, what? And he was like, yeah. Then I kind of gave him a look like, yeah, they did. But they honestly probably could have gone back and dumped them. I don't know. But it was super weird though. I just was like, what? I was like, okay.
He's probably somebody that would love to have a project.
There we go. Tooth on a stick.
It's all about that purchase point.
I know.
I haven't heard the voice yet today. Is Chloe off?
She did it initially. Maybe it's slowly fizzling away.
Yeah. On to the next thing.
Yeah. It's harder to do that on a Monday too,
Yeah.
I think, just in general.
Definitely.
Everyone's like, Monday, blah blah blah.